What's up, everybody, and welcome to this week's episode of Engine Gremlin. I am here at Colorado National Speedway, and we are actually here to cheer on and support a member of the Engine Gremlin team, Cody Dempster. You may recall an episode where we worked on his race car, seen here behind me, where we replaced the brakes and everything else. He is actually out getting ready for qualifying right now, so we are going to catch up to him a little bit later. But yeah, this is going to be a fun event, so stick around. So I'm here with Cody Dempster, the other member of the Engine Gremlin team. Cody, you just finished qualifying. You're about 0.56 off of pole position. How's the car feel? What are you feeling like today? Changing anything to the car? What are your thoughts?
We're making a couple adjustments. We were landing kind of hard on the bump stops, so just trying to get it off of that, get it to cut entry a little bit more and gain that little bit of time that we're missing. But I think we have a really good race car. As far as, just our pace overall over multiple laps versus just a couple quick laps. So I think we're going to be in good shape.
Okay, nice. Yeah, and it's my understanding this car typically does better, in a race more than it does in qualifying. It's a car that keeps its consistency as the race goes along, keeps its performance. So, all right, cool. Well, I'll tell you what, man, we're gonna be up in the stands watching, and we'll be cheering you on, and come back after the race and maybe have a little chat then.
Awesome.
Cool. Good luck, man.
Thank you.
So I'm going to take this time to introduce the other member of the Engine Gremlin team, Zach Tafoya, who is our graphic designer and all-out general helping hand and awesome dude. Zach is responsible for the renderings of the car you guys have probably seen to date so far. Now, Zach, I think is this your first race? Your first?
It is.
Yeah. So this is. So are you excited?
I don't know what I am, but this is pretty dang cool.
So nice to finally get you on camera, Zach. And then Cody's getting ready to finish his final race, so we're gonna go watch. All right, so I'm back here with Cody after the race. So Cody, not too bad of a race for opening the season up. You pulled third for the lottery and starting position. Fell back into fifth, worked your way back up into third, and then towards the end, just fell off the podium in the third. Talk to us a little bit about the race. How you feel about it.
I'm happy with where we have a good starting point this year, and we fell off a little bit, but the car came back to us. I didn't go far enough with the adjustments I made going into it after qualifying, so okay. I think we have a good place to start for the next race, and we'll be good. We had a good strong run, and two of the cars that finished ahead of us aren't running for points this year, so we'll be in good shape.
All right, cool, man. Well, hey, man, it was a fun race to watch. I know Zach also had a good time. And everybody else out there, thank you guys for watching this week's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And also check out Cody on Instagram on Cody Dempster Racing. And Cody, hopefully we'll be seeing more of you for Project Cinder here in the near future. But I know you're a busy guy with race season coming up. So, good luck on the rest of your season. We're definitely going to be following along and, rooting for you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Peace.
Come on.
Hey everybody, and thank you so much for watching this week's episode of Engine Gremlin. If you like what you saw and you like what we do, please consider liking and subscribing to our YouTube channel. It helps us create better quality content on a more regular basis. You can also check us out on Twitter and Instagram. Our links are down in the description. And please consider donating to our Patreon page. Like I said, thank you guys so much for watching this week's episode, and I will see you guys next time.